Hey, it's Clay Trading. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol CAPR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster day, not only with the price action, but you can see the volume is by far, and it's not even close, the biggest volume that it's had. I mean, you look back here through the history, and it basically today's volume makes other days look like it's never even had volume before. So point being, very nice day. A lot of people watching this one. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk about areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be right there at $1.30. So if $1.30 can continue to hold, and I use the word continue because if you look at the history of today, you can see several occasions the bears try to press down through there, but the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So if that continues to happen, that is best case scenario for sure. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, in the event the price can stay above it, that would be the biggest sign of power. From a big picture perspective, in terms of kind of really just simplifying the chart in regards, hey, Clay, how do I measure the health of the overall move? That right there being defined as the move. Easy way to really just simplify that and track the health or lack thereof is in regards to that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line is just going to move its way upwards and look something like that. So very simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full health, full control, however you can best visualize that. No questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some of these key battlegrounds at? Key level where there's a lot of sellers seem to be staying and hanging out right around $1.50. Now, I realize the price did technically go up above that level on several occasions, but on also the price a couple occasions didn't quite hit that level. You can see it came up a little bit short there. So I'm just kind of splitting the middle difference there at $1.50. And I'm just talking about the one level because, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority for the chart right now. In my opinion, top priority is just go through some healthy consolidation, build some higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. But no doubt about it, very, very powerful move today. We'll see what the bulls have in store for the remainder of the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.